Welcome back, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of powder brushes, seeking out the ultimate tool to perfect that flawless finish. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, finding the right brush can be a game changer. We'll be reviewing 5 top contenders: Wet n Wild, Real Techniques, EcoTools, WUNDERBROW, and COVERGIRL. Join me as we explore their key features, benefits, usability, and durability to help you make the best choice for your makeup routine. At number 1 position, we have Wet n Wild Powder Brush. Wet n Wild's powder brush is a staple in many makeup bags for its affordable price point and quality construction. Crafted with synthetic bristles, this brush promises a smooth and even application of powder products, from setting powders to bronzers. Key features: its large, fluffy head allows for effortless blending and diffusing of powder products. The synthetic bristles are soft yet firm enough to pick up and distribute product evenly across the skin. Benefits and usage: this brush is perfect for setting your foundation with powder, achieving a seamless finish without any patchiness. Additionally, it works wonders for applying bronzer or blush, effortlessly blending products for a natural look. Usability: the handle is lightweight and easy to maneuver, providing control and precision during application. Whether you're a makeup beginner or a seasoned artist, this brush is user-friendly and versatile. Durability: despite its budget-friendly price, the Wet n Wild powder brush is surprisingly durable. The bristles hold up well to regular washing and usage, maintaining their shape and performance over time. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Real Techniques Powder Makeup Brush. Real Techniques is renowned for its high-quality brushes designed by professional makeup artists. Their powder makeup brush is no exception, boasting plush bristles and ergonomic design for effortless application. Key features: the domed shape of the brush head allows for precise application of powder products, fitting perfectly into the contours of the face. The synthetic bristles are ultra-soft, ensuring a luxurious and comfortable application experience. Benefits and usage: this brush excels at setting powder, effortlessly mattifying the skin without cakiness or streaks. It's also ideal for applying powder foundation, providing buildable coverage for a flawless complexion. Usability: the tapered handle design offers optimal control and comfort, allowing for seamless blending and buffing of powder products. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or a professional artist, this brush is easy to use and yields professional results. Durability: Real Techniques brushes are known for their durability, and the powder makeup brush is no exception. With proper care, including regular cleaning and storage, this brush will last for years without losing its shape or performance. The number 3 position is held by EcoTools Powder Makeup Brush. EcoTools is committed to sustainability, offering eco-friendly brushes crafted from renewable and recycled materials. Their powder makeup brush is not only environmentally conscious, but also delivers exceptional performance. Key features: the brush features soft, cruelty-free bristles made from synthetic Taklon, ensuring a silky smooth application of powder products. The bamboo handle is lightweight and sustainable, making it a guilt-free addition to your beauty routine. Benefits and usage: this brush is perfect for setting powder, providing a natural and seamless finish to your makeup look. It's also great for applying blush or bronzer, effortlessly blending products for a sun-kissed glow. Usability: the ergonomic design of the brush allows for comfortable and precise application, whether you're a makeup novice or an experienced artist. The handle provides a secure grip, ensuring optimal control and maneuverability. Durability: despite its eco-friendly construction, the EcoTools powder makeup brush is remarkably durable. The bristles maintain their softness and shape even after repeated use and washing, making it a long-lasting investment for your makeup collection. Next at number 4, we have WUNDERBROW Kabuki Brush. WUNDERBROW is known for its innovative beauty solutions, and their Kabuki brush is no exception. Designed specifically for their range of brow products, This brush promises precise and effortless application. Key features. The compact and densely packed bristles of the Kabuki brush allow for precise and controlled application of brow products, including powders, gels, and pomades. The synthetic bristles are firm yet gentle, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Benefits and usage. This brush is perfect for filling in sparse brows, defining their shape, and achieving a natural-looking finish. The angled design allows for precise application, mimicking the appearance of natural brow hairs with ease. Usability. The short handle provides optimal control and maneuverability, allowing for precise and effortless application of brow products. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this brush is user-friendly and versatile. Durability. The WUNDERBROW Kabuki brush is built to last, with sturdy construction and high-quality materials. With proper care, including regular cleaning and storage, this brush will maintain its performance and shape for years to come. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by COVERGIRL powder brush. COVERGIRL is a household name in the beauty industry, offering affordable yet high-quality makeup products. Their powder brush is a versatile tool designed to enhance your makeup routine with ease. Key features. The powder brush features soft and fluffy bristles that are perfect for applying loose or pressed powders. The rounded shape allows for effortless blending and buffing, ensuring a seamless finish every time. Benefits and usage. This brush is ideal for setting your makeup with powder, ensuring long-lasting wear without cakiness or creasing. It's also great for applying bronzer or blush, adding a touch of color and dimension to your complexion. Usability. The lightweight handle provides comfortable and precise control during application, making it easy to achieve professional-looking results. Whether you're a makeup beginner or an experienced artist, this brush is user-friendly and versatile. Durability. COVERGIRL's powder brush is built to withstand regular use and washing, maintaining its shape and performance over time. With proper care, this brush will be a reliable staple in your makeup collection for years to come. There you have it, folks. 5 top-notch powder brushes, each offering its own unique features and benefits. Whether you're seeking affordability, sustainability, or precision, there's a brush on this list to suit your needs. Remember to consider factors like usability and durability when choosing the perfect brush for your makeup routine. I hope this review has been helpful in guiding your decision. Stay tuned for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous!